Outside with it today. We at the joint chiropractor, man. It's going down. Got to get stretched out real quick. Hey, man. Got to get stretched out the right way. Pause.